Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. This week we've been talking about regrouping and two-digit subtraction. In subtraction, you regroup by taking a 10 and breaking it apart into 10 ones. This allows you to subtract ones without confusion. Now we've been practicing the last couple days, and I think you're ready to practice with really big numbers. Let's start with yesterday's challenge problem. So yesterday's challenge problem was 66 minus 37. I already have it set up here, 6 tens and 6 ones for our whole of 66. I'll make that a little further away. And I want to set it up vertically. So 66 is my whole because it's bigger than 37. So I have 66 minus 37. Okay. So we're starting with our ones. I have 6 ones. I need to take away 7. So obviously I can't take 7 away from 6, but we've been practicing how to fix this problem. What do? That's right. We take a 10 and we break it apart and regroup it or redistribute it as 10 ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay. So I have the 10 ones that I got from breaking apart that 10. So now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 ones and 5 tens. I've regrouped it from 6 tens and 6 ones to 5 tens and 16 ones. All right. So now I can take away 7 because you can take 7 out of 16. So let's cross out 7 right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see, how many do I have left? Can you count those for me, please? That's right, I have 9 left. 16 take away 7 is 9. Great job. So now that I've taken care of my ones, let's look at my tens. I have 5 tens now because I regrouped one of them, and I need to take away 3 tens. So let's cross out 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. How many tens do I have left? Yeah, I have 2 tens. 5 minus 3 is 2. So I had 66, I took away 37, and I have 2 tens and 9 ones left. So what's 66 minus 37? Yeah, it's 29. 66 minus 37 is 29. We were able to regroup and figure out that our answer is 29. Let's practice with another problem. Now this one has our biggest number yet. It is 92. Take away 55. I am so excited to work on a number this big with you girls. I know you're going to be amazing at it. Let's go ahead and set it up. So obviously 92 is bigger than 55. So let's do that first. 92 minus 55 And 92 is our whole. I can just go ahead and start subtracting, right? So let's see. 2 take away 5. 1, 2, wait. Something's going on here. So I just jump over here. 3, 4. Wait, no, don't tell me to stop. What am I doing wrong? Oh, I need to regroup. Okay, I need to regroup because I shouldn't have just started with 2 ones because I was never going to be able to take 5 ones away from that. Okay, so let's fix that real quick. Okay, all set. So you said to regroup. Okay, I'm going to take a 10. I'm going to cross it out. So far, so good. Okay, I'm going to bring it to the ones place. Am I doing well so far? Great. Okay, so let's start making those 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, there we go. 6, 7, there we go. 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. I have 10 ones that I took from that 10, which means I have 10, 11, 12 ones now. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. So I broke apart this 10 to make 10 ones. I didn't get rid of anything, I just moved it. And now I have 8 groups of 10 and 12 loose ones. So now I can subtract, right? I can take 5 away from 12. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many ones do I have left? I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones left. 12 minus 5 is 7. Awesome. So now I'm going to take away tens. I have 8 tens now. I need to take away 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tens am I left with? With 3. Yeah, 8 minus 5 is 3. So I took away 55 from 92. I needed to regroup, but I was able to do it. And I'm left with 3 tens and 7 ones. So what's 92 minus 55? Yeah, it's 37. 92 take away 55 is 37. You guys did amazing with that huge number. I knew you could do it. We are going to look at our challenge problem now before we go. And our challenge problem for today is a word problem. And I'll read it to you before we end. It says, Christine and Judea saw 24 flowers at the park. 17 were yellow flowers and the rest were pink. How many flowers were pink? I know you girls will do well on this. I am so proud of you. Keep working hard, keep going on Zern, keep doing your packets, and I will be back tomorrow with word problems. Bye-bye.